Okay guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we're gonna make star of the kitchen pumpkin soup. That's the star of the dish. First here we got a pumpkin, so a pumpkin, otherwise in America you call this squash. Here we have chicken feet right here, and we also have just the ingredients right here. Maggi souping up chicken noodle. We also have a cock soup flavor as well, lime and vinegar to wash the chicken feet. We have 3 carrots, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, green one, and we have 7 pegs of garlic. We have 1 chocha. We have 2 stalk of scallion. We have some fresh thyme right here. We also have 1 turnip. We also have a little piece of ginger. So guys, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Here you go. Just cut the toenails off the chicken feet, washing it off with some lime and vinegar. Have to wash our meat with lime and vinegar. So I just cut off the toenails. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the pot on and put it into the boiling water. First and foremost, here we have the garlic crush, piece of scallion, piece of thyme, and ginger. So now we're gonna add all these ingredients into the pot at this moment. Let it go and boil. Then afterwards we're gonna add the chicken feet. Okay guys, so now the water is boiling up. What I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add the pumpkin and the chicken feet. So right now I'm adding the pumpkin and the chicken feet, aka chicken foot. So I'm adding the pumpkin and chicken feet. You can see right here guys. So I'm gonna let that cook for like maybe an hour, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients here. So for now I'm adding the chicken feet with the pumpkin. Okay now guys, check it out. Yeah, so the chicken feet is almost cooked. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna add the carrot, the chocha, Irish potato. I got to show you guys Irish potato, carrot as well too guys. So here you go. Yeah, adding all the ingredients. See what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna just make a little list and show you all this stuff that I added after. But yeah, it's looking good. Look at that, looking wonderful. Check that out. Yeah, pumpkin soup, chicken feet. So I'm gonna let that cook for another 4 to 5 minutes before I add the noodle, and I'm show you all the process step by step guys. So I did want to show you guys that I also had 2 Irish potatoes. Okay guys, so I had 2 Irish potato to the soup. Okay, so again guys, I also had some dumplings. Cannot have pumpkin soup without dumplings, Jamaican style. So you know, if you can check back all through my video, I show you how to make a nice dough like this already. So just check my videos and you will see how to make the dumplings. So I'm gonna add the dumpling now into the soup. As you can see, looking lovely, almost done. I'm gonna add the dumplings and then add the rest of the ingredients. Okay guys, what's gonna happen right now, I'm gonna add green scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, fresh thyme, fresh scallion. Also gonna add chicken flavor soup mix, country style season, and a Maggi soup it up chicken noodle. So what I'm gonna do, add that into the pot. Scallion fresh thyme, green pepper, just like that. Then I'm gonna add the Maggi chicken noodle. I'm gonna add 1 chicken flavor noodle as well. What I'm gonna do now guys, let's give that a stir. Yeah, look at that, looking lovely, right? Looking lovely. Yes guys, so I'm gonna let that cook for another 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it off and it's ready to serve. It's that easy, guys. Okay, guys, look at that. All done. Looking lovely, guys. Looking lovely. So all done. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. For more, leave a comment. More video to come. Yes, guys, look at that. Chicken foot soup, pumpkin soup. Looking lovely.